Meet Sherry. She has a really busy life between work and family, and now she needs to put together a birthday party for her son, who will be turning 6 this weekend. With such little time and so much on her to-do list, she needs party decor, caterers, a photographer, and Bobo the Clown. To top her list, Sherry also needs a plumber to fix her burst kitchen tap. Sherry needs help. She can't think of any other way than going through thousands of search results, cold calling, and of course, asking her sister for referrals. Now there's Snupit, the app that finds you local professionals for any job you want done. House cleaners, photographers, builders, even party caterers. Just answer a few easy questions on the project you need completed, and we'll connect you with available pros who are ready to do exactly what you need. You can read reviews, contact the pros, and hire when you're ready. Now getting that job done is as simple as a few clicks, as Sherry discovered. Get started at snupit.co.za to find the right pro for your project.